Hello all, I am Dr. Gayathri, an educational therapist. I am the founder of Flourishing Kids and I work with kids having learning difficulties. Today we are going to discuss about corrective feedback. We all know there are two types of feedbacks, positive and negative feedback. Negative feedback doesn't work out and positive feedbacks always works, on which one we have to correct it. So now here, parents mostly ask me, so should we always say only good? Should we always say, yes, you did it well? But how would we correct them? How would we say that it is not correct? Or how should we teach them? So let me discuss something here called corrective feedback. Yes, we have to give the child the corrective feedback. There's a technique over here. It's called a sandwich technique. First, you will always give the child a positive feedback. The next one would be a corrective feedback. And then again, you will be ending with a positive feedback, right? Whatever has to be corrected would be in the middle. You will be saying all the plus things and then you would be inserting it into the middle. So the child understands it much better. First, always tell them, yes, you did this correctly. Then go to the next step of correction. So here, what should be taken care of? First thing we have to notice child's self-esteem. That is very, very important. Make sure you don't give comments or anything so that the child's self-esteem is affected and they don't want to do it itself. They just say that I can't do this because I'm not doing it correctly or I don't know. So make sure you don't pass over any comments like that. The next thing is, how often should I give? For some kids, parents keep on correcting them, right? They will be correcting them from very small things also. They would be saying, don't do this, don't do that. Then the child actually just sometimes neglects everything, or they always wait for the parent to give the comment and then go to the next step. Because they are so used to it, parent will give the comment, then only they will proceed to the next thing. So give feedback when it is required and don't keep feedbacks for everything. Few things the child's age they can handle and you have to leave them to them so that they will correct it, they will see it and they will be correcting it. Give feedbacks whenever required and the time is also very, very important. So that time only you can give a feedback. Now we know when to give feedback and how. So what steps should be done when we are giving a feedback? The first step is model. You have to model it to your child. How to be done? Suppose you are teaching the child to answer some questions. You are going to model how to write the answer. You itself, you will write and show them this is how you have to do it. So the child is seeing it. So you are modeling it. Next step is lead. Lead the child. Lead the child to do the answer for a similar question or the same question also. This is how the child will do, and you will be leading the child and you will also be with the child that time. If required, you would be gently saying, this is what I told you, so this is it. So you're leading it. The next step would be testing. That time you give the question and you won't answer it or you won't help it. The child has to do it alone. So they understand what is it. So you're testing it. So after these three steps are over, you would be again retesting the child after a certain period of time, like maybe 2 days or 3 days. After that, you'll be asking the same question to see whether the child has remembered it. They have remembered how you have given the positive feedback, how you have corrected them during the session. So this is how we have to give feedback to children. Happy parenting. Thank you.